Half a century ago, I began my career at IBM as a systems engineer, designing, developing and maintaining customer systems. Back then, of course, I thought engineer was the important part of my title. But over time, I've realized that system is every bit as vital because everything is connected. And as in a well-designed system, every component must play its part. That understanding has guided me through a career spanning engineering, sales, marketing, management, and business creation. And it's much more relevant than ever as Britain looks to innovation to drive economic growth. To succeed in that endeavour, we must overcome two persistent myths that have long held us back. The first is what I call the Babbage curse, named for that great polymath Charles Babbage. Babbage and his pioneering collaborator, Ada Lovelace, invented the mechanical computer, yet failed completely to turn it into a commercial success. Babbage was obsessed with his shiny toys, the difference engine and the analytical engine, and paid too little attention to the rest of the system, his colleagues, his customers, and his investors. The second myth is more modern. It's the belief that all we need to unlock our potential is more capital. Yep, of course, investment is vital. But just as oxygen is vital to life, money is a necessary yet insufficient element of our innovation system. Money fuels innovation, it doesn't guarantee success. Today, much of my work is about helping innovators and investors alike to see that achievement depends on excellence across the whole process, from the first spark of an idea to creating a delighted customer. That's why being recognised as an honorary fellow of the Royal Academy of Engineering means so much to me. No organisation has done more to turn British invention into economic growth. Through fellowships for enterprise and leaders in innovation, plus the continuous policy work on spin-outs and scale-ups, the Academy has built an ecosystem where bright ideas become thriving businesses with real impact. Their programmes, actually I can now say our programmes, don't just celebrate innovation, they commercialise it, they globalise it, and they inspire the next generation of engineers to avoid the Babbage curse and to take a system approach to business. So for me, this fellowship isn't just recognition, it's a call to arms, to raise our collective game and to make Britain not only a nation of brilliant innovators, but of brilliant system builders, engineers of prosperity as well as of technology. Thank you to the Royal Academy of Engineering for this amazing honour and for leading the mission to turn great British ideas into global success stories.